Guys, real talk, may mga phone na sulit right now, may mga phone din na malalakas. Pero minsan lang may lumabas na ganito, number 1, overkill sa specs, pero hindi siya overkill sa presyo. We're talking about the Poco X8 Pro Max, 8,500 mAh battery, a flagship chipset, a massive display. Sino ba talaga ang target ng cellphone na to? So today, pag-uusapan natin, walang iba kundi ang Poco X8 Pro Max. And by the way, kung nanonood ka right now, we'll be also giving away a brand new Poco X8 Pro Max in this video. So watch this video until the end. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James Tepino. Alamin natin kung eto na ba ang pinakasulit na power flagship phone this year, 2026. Let's go! So tara, unbox muna natin siya guys. So again, this is a very standard box ng Poco. They're always like this. Wala namang specification on the back. We got the 12GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM version, and we got the white color. So this will be an interesting one. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and ayun yung malaglag. Okay. So, Poco phone, definitely it has a case, a gray case. Tala, okay, nothing different from there. And we have the phone itself here, which I'm gonna put it here. And of course, the charging brick, which is again a 100 watts. Designed by Xiaomi, and we have a same charger, which is a USB-A and USB-C. So in terms of charger, they are the same compared dun sa Poco X8 Pro Max. And on the phone itself, eto na guys, for the first time ever, eto na po siya. Wow! Oh my goodness! And wow! I mean, look at that. Tanggalin lang natin tong sticker niya. Sa mga di pa nakaalam, pwede po niyong tanggalin to the moment that you buy a brand new phone. And wow! This is literally really nice. Like, unang hawak mo pa lang, mararamdaman mo na agad guys na this is not your typical mid-range smartphone na makukuha sa labas. It has a fiberglass back. It has a very premium feeling. It has a very clean flagship design. And meron siyang racing aesthetics here on the power button. Mas refined siya, mas premium siya compared sa mga usual Poco phone na mabibili mo dati. And yes, this is also an IP68 rated smartphone. So, hindi ka na magiging kabado sa ulan, sa bagyo, sa kung ano-ano namang water activities or any accidental drops sa mga tubig. Now, let's talk about power guys. This phone has the MediaTek Dimensity 9500S processor. This is already pushing flagship level territory on a mid-range smartphone. Then, combine mo pa with the LPDDR5X RAM and a UFS 4.1 storage technology, the fastest, most efficient memory and storage standards for 2026 flagship smartphone on a mid-range smartphone. This enables the fastest uploading ever, better AI performance, and a faster multitasking that is usually found in premium devices like the Samsung Galaxy S26. So, everyday use, lahat ng applications, instant yung feeling. Gaming, definitely 100% smooth. Heavy multitasking, wala kang magiging problema. At ang pinaka-importante, hindi lang siya mabilis. This is also a stable smartphone because meron siyang tinatawag nila na 3D ice loop cooling technology, which is the larger version compared dun sa Poco X8 Pro series. Meaning, hindi siya mag-overheat, it will have consistent performance because hindi siya magta-throttle, and mas stable ang FPS sa mga long gaming sessions. So kung hardcore user ka, like super hardcore user ka, this phone will definitely survive you. Now eto guys isa to sa pinaka underrated but important part of a smartphone, the display. This has a 1.5K AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, a Dolby Vision technology, plus an HDR10+ color profile. And of course, meron din po siyang 3,500 peak nits of brightness, same with the X8 Pro series. Meaning again, kahit tirik yung araw guys sa labas, wala kang magiging problema. Kitang-kita mo guys yung screen niya. Plus, of course, since this is the Pro Max version, this has a bigger screen size, which is 6.83 inches. So mas immersive in terms of gaming, Netflix, or other YouTube activity. This is the type of display na once na masanay ka, mahihirapan ka nang bumalik dun sa mas maliit na version. Now, eto guys, like this is the biggest difference of this smartphone out of every competitor right now in this current price range. This has an 8,500 milliampere battery. Uulitin ko guys ha, 8,500 milliampere battery. Guys, this is not the normal battery that you will find right now on a smartphone. On real world usage, you can literally use this phone on moderate use up to 2 days straight without even charging once. Heavy user, walang magiging problema. And yes, pwede mo pa rin siya gamiting power bank katulad ng X8 Pro. So kung lagi kang nasa labas, this has a 27 watt reverse charging and a 100 watts fast charging technology. This phone is a literal game changer sa mid-range industry. So on the camera naman guys, it has a 50 megapixel Sony sensor with OIS or optical image stabilization technology. So you can expect stable videos, good low light photos, and definitely sharper images than the previous generation. Plus, it also comes with a ultra-wide camera guys. Plus, another AI features like the Ultra Snap technology. Again, the Ultra Snap is the newest feature that Poco released on their smartphones this year 2026, which means on taking photos guys, like literally, isang tap mo lang, makukuha niya na pa yung photos katulad guys ng mga iPhone. So this will be perfect, especially guys kung medyo fast-moving mga moving subjects. This camera can definitely be used on daily content creation na rin. Now, here's something interesting which is also same dun sa X8 Pro series guys ha. This phone comes with a extra feature na dito nila makukuha sa smartphone na to right now, which is the Xiaomi offline communication technology. Meaning, kahit walang signal, pwede ka pa rin makapag-communicate sa kapwa Xiaomi phone mo. This will perfect for events, travel, emergencies na basically pwede mo siyang gawing radyo during those times. Plus, meron pa siyang RGB lighting guys dito sa ring po ng kanyang mga cameras, which can be used for custom notifications actually, or even gaming vibes RGB depende kung trip mo guys. So basically, your phone, no? Pag nakatalikod siya at nakaharap siya guys sa mga tao, meron pa siyang personality. And here's the crazy part guys ha. Kung akala mo malakas na yung Poco X8 Pro series, this is basically that. Pero pinupush pa ang lahat. This will be more stronger, more bigger, and mas matagal yung battery. So kung gusto mo ng phone na hindi ka bibitinin kahit ano pang gawin mo, this is the phone for you. So para kanino tong Poco X8 Pro Max? Hindi to guys actually para sa lahat. But if you are a heavy gamer, a power user, content consumers, or people na ayaw mag-charge palagi and gusto ng long-term na cellphone, kung casual user ka, baka actually overkill pa to para sa'yo. Pero kung ikaw yung tipo na gusto ko, like literally sagad na talaga on the mid-range section, this will be one of the best choices right now this year, 2026. And yes guys, mamimigay tayo ng isang brand new Poco X8 Pro Max in this video guys. But before that, i-announce ko lang guys yung winner nung Akaso 360 camera namin guys from the previous video guys. So ilalagay ko yung pangalan mo dito, yung comment mo dito. Kung nakikita mo na ikaw to, go message our Facebook page Kuya James Afante with blue check mark to claim your prize. So simple lang ang mechanics guys kung paano manalo guys ng Poco X8 Pro Max. Okay, so number 1, like this video. Number 2, subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn on the notification bell dyan sa baba. E-comment mo dyan sa baba, what is your favorite feature out of the Poco X8 Pro Max? And bonus guys ha, just in case, if you share this video, you will get an extra chance to win. And winner will be announced on our upcoming uploads in this channel. And by the way, just in case naghahanap guys ng discounted na Poco X8 Pro Max with cash on delivery and free shipping nationwide, I will attach a link in the description, lowest price guaranteed. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James Tipeno. See you on the next one.